If your PC won't let you open an app and you aren't using a PC owned by someone else, you can try these tips to unlock it. So first up, unblock the app executable by locating and right-clicking on the app, choose Properties, open the General tab, and then in the Secure section, check the unblock option, then click Apply and select OK. Additionally, run the application using command prompt by opening it from the file location, right-click, choose Properties, open General tab, select Copy as File Path shown as a location. Then you have to open command prompt with admin rights, paste the copied file path, then press Enter to launch the app. And for your last resort, run the application as an admin by searching the app, right-click on it, then select Run as an admin, and click Yes if prompted by User Account Control. So that's how you can fix the following error in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.